Good morning. Today we are read about Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Morons. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes, a what? A bowl, a sweet, a hat. Two! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop from achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must break forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great now. Cat make me sneeze too. I do not think pig make you sneeze. I do not think cat make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie. Great news. I have a cold. Good for you. And bad for Piggie. Bye-bye. Did you have fun?
Yes.
See you later. Bye-bye.